Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have an empty apartment tour for you guys. As you can hear, I got this brand new apartment and it's super empty. And before I start putting things inside of it, decorating and getting all cute, I just want to show you guys. So without further ado, if you want to see my empty apartment tour, keep on watching. First walk in, we just have the door. So this is where all my guests will gain entry or be tonight. Then you got this hallway, like so, and then it's exposed heights. And yeah. And once you walk into the hall, to the left is the kitchen. So we have this beautiful kitchen. Nice big old sink, handy dandy stove, refrigerator. Then we got the laundry room with the stack washer and dryer. And then it also has the bedroom with the air conditioning. Kind of scary. And then we have the living space. So yeah, this is where I will put the dining table and the living room and the television and whatever else I want to put in the living room. And here is the view. And then we have the balcony. Let's go outside. So here's how she looks outside, more of the view. Welcome to the city of Orlando. Here we are. This should be called the Rain City mascot. So once we come from outside the balcony, next we have the bedroom. I love this barn door in here. And then here's the room. Love the nice big windows, of course. More views of the city. A lot of open space. More windows. Love the windows. Love having big windows all over the place. Has a fan in here. And I just got all these ideas. Alright. So yeah, this is the bedroom. This is how she looks. Wham bam bam. Once we got the bedroom, then we go down this hallway. And this hallway is where the closet is at. There's some stuff up in there. And then there's another closet for some more stuff. And at the end of the hallway is the bathroom. So here's how the bathroom looks. Just a shower and mirror. And another big window, which I love. And another thing I like about this bathroom is that it has all these different lights. So you can put just the light for the shower, or just in the bathroom, or just for on top of the mirror. So I think that's pretty dandy. Yeah. So pretty basic, pretty cute though. So yeah. So there guys, that's my apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know there isn't much to show because there's nothing in here yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the layout of of the apartment and how it looks before it gets any decorations or furniture in there. And if you did enjoy my apartment tour, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment below. Until next time.